Hey, this is Nate from Hobby Time RC. I've got a new release here I want to show you guys. This is the LMT from Losi. What makes this really cool is it is the only from the ground up new design solid axle monster truck on the market. So we're going to peel it out of this box here and show you all the little features it has. This one in particular is the Son-uva digger body. These are official licensed bodies from Monster Jam. And first impressions, it weighs a ton. Alright, so we peeled it out of the shipping box, and you can see all the artwork on the outside. We also shows all the features. We'll get into those once we pull it out of the box. But you can just see the artwork on the outside here. So no talking, let's get it open. So you got your manual, batteries, and your small spare parts bag. This one comes with the Spectrum DX3 transmitter. This is compatible with the Smart ESC, and if you're using smart batteries, it also has a battery level indicator built into the top of it there. So if you're using a smart battery with this ESC, you can know your battery level just from the remote. All right, with all the body clips out, you can see the body tilts up, so you have easy access to the entire chassis to change your battery, to get to anything, any maintenance parts, anything you need to work on. They use this rubber hold down, so this will fit various sizes of batteries. The ESC uses an IC5 plug-in. ESC, while we're talking about it, is a Spectrum Firma 130 amp ESC. It is 2 and 3S compatible. Some of the interesting engineering aspects on this is the center plates are different left to right, but these front and rear plates are all identical. So a guy, a hardcore basher may binge one of these, but there's one part number for all 4 of them. So instead of having to keep 4 different plates, you just have one. While we're talking about the chassis, let's move on to the axles and the suspension. These shocks feel just super smooth. They have a nice rubber bump stop. They're a big bore. They have a bleed screw if you ever need to change your fluid out. Another cool aspect is they come with sway bars front and rear, and they look to be very tunable. You just have a set screw, so you can change the amount of sway that you can get out of the chassis. These scale axles are hugely overbuilt, oversized in every way. They use an 8th scale differential. It is fluid filled, front and rear, and a center diff. The center diff has a 500,000 weight. The axles use a 100,000 weight. And if you're not interested in the center diff, there is an optional spool available. While we're talking about the axles here, we got big heavy links. The knuckles here are oversized, and that brings us to these wheels. They're a short course style wheel, meaning they have a larger inner diameter than outer diameter. So that just gives you more room to get all these parts in it. It also gives you a better geometry. This truck has a better steering angle than other monster trucks on the market. Another feature that they built into this is it's called their cush drive, and basically what it is inside of this housing here, there's a rubber puck that will absorb shocks from like landing while the tires are spinning, hard bounces, stuff like that. The benefits of that is it's gonna make this drivetrain a lot more durable and a lot more reliable. So you're gonna not have as many issues as a direct drive where it wouldn't have that kind of cushion built into it. While we're here and we're showing you can see all the little details like the exhaust headers. Inside of here, there's a driver, LED lights already pre-mounted. So we showed you all the details and features of the LMT Losi here. These are available at our store, Hobbytime RC, or on our website, hobbytimerc.com. They are $5.99, ready to run. Come check them out if you want to take a look. We'll check you on the next video. Thanks.